Hi. So I wanted to teach you Fa, F-A-G-Q-I, Fa Chi. Fa Chi is part of the meditation that we do in the beginning, but this is also a standalone practice for when you need a boost of Chi to your entire body or to a specific area. And so yeah, let's get started. So you can stand or sit. And with anything before you start, just lift up toward the big blue sky, open up by way, root your feet to the floor. Imagine roots on your feet going into the earth. Allow your body to relax. Everything's relaxed and shoulders are down, arms are down by your side, tucked in, tailbone pointed down. Just breathe and be present to your vitality. And now go ahead and lift up your palms in front of your navel. So this is good enough for starting. So what you're imagining here is a chi ball that's gathered in front of your navel, collecting all the chi in your body. So now you want to take that chi and you want to expand it out. So you're just, chi ball is getting bigger, and it's your chi in your body is also expanding out into the room, outside your home or your office, out into the big blue sky, connecting with nature. So you just imagine expansive chi flowing out, connecting with all healthy chi, all healthy information. Now you want to close and gather all that chi into your body. So just imagine drawing in all that healthy chi, bringing your palms toward each other, but not touching, but just be aware of the sensation between your palms and your fingers. So you open again, and remember, open is Kai. Connect, open. Ha, H-E is close. So you bring all that chi in from the big blue sky and nature around you into your chi field. Open Kai. Connect. And now gather back in, draw back in. Ha, close. Open again. Uniting, merging, connecting with all healthy chi outside of you, outside your chi field. And now draw the energy back into your chi field, into your body. And you can do this for as long as you want. It's good to say open or close to yourself, or Kai or Hu, quiet or out loud. So you want to expand and merge out to the universe, out to the sky, down to the earth. And then you want to draw it in, collecting all the healthy chi into your space. And when you're done, feel the energy between your palms, and now imagine pushing gently that in through the navel, behind the navel, into the lower dantian. Palm over palm. Press in, go deep inside. Allow yourself to be nourished. Thank you. Hao la, hao. So there's many ways to do that meditation, but that's just the basic, and it's great for anything. If you need a boost of energy, like I said, or your knees hurting, or your digestion's off, or your headache. So just imagining the area of discomfort expanding out, and then you're bringing chi to that area. Could be a general treatment, specific. You'll get more information as we go, but I hope that helps. Bye.